The city's preparing for the community of the future, and the work that PG&E is doing is very critical.
I grew up in San Luis Obispo County, and I've seen the growth over the last 30 years.
We're reconductoring thousands of feet of both overhead wire and underground. We need to go through and replace every pole to be able to handle that larger wire. We need to take complex outages to allow the crews to pull that wire.
It's a $12.3 million project that is directly investing in the future capacity of San Luis Obispo.
We've been working with PG&E since 2020, and that's been a tremendous collaboration.
This project is just one example of how PG&E is showing up for the hometowns that we serve.
Okay, Wesley, we are coming up easy.
Wire's moving.
This project is really a response to the tremendous growth that San Luis Obispo is experiencing. We have an electric supercharger in this area. We have the San Luis Ranch development, which is 131 acres. And so this project is going to provide the capacity to enable that economic and community growth to happen.
We are building a new circuit coming out of our San Luis Obispo substation and running that circuit, upgrading the wires going from the substation to the area of growth in the town on the southwest side.
The water resource recovery facility is expanding, and we're near completion. We're using state-of-the-art technology, and that requires a lot more electricity, and that electricity needs to be reliable. The new backbone system that PG&E is putting together allows us to be able to use membrane filtration and ultraviolet disinfection to be able to disinfect sewer water. That allows the city to be able to pre-position itself for future growth.
We've been working with the city on a monthly basis.
We will replace poles, but keeping the existing wire on those poles. And once those are ready, then we will take a larger outage to be able to pull that new wire. We take these outages in many cases at night or on the weekends in order to minimize disruption.
Coming up, Kevin. Coming up.
Like most cities in California, we've seen a real push toward electrification of buildings, of course, electric vehicles, and we are able to serve that growing load with projects like this.
I have lived in SLO since 2005. It's exciting to see this project happen in my hometown, to serve the increased electric demand, to serve California's growth and California's energy goals.
Now being a part of one of those projects that's going to help continue to support the growth in this area makes me feel really good to be a part of.